Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Shit That Should Be Retro, episode 11, we talking about this shoe right here, the LeBron 9 Big Bangs. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel, and be sure to hit the like button so this video could go as far in the algorithm as possible. Follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know you got tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go, the LeBron 9 Big Bang Galaxy themed shoe. This shoe came out the same All-Star weekend as the Galaxy Foamposites. If you guys remember, that far back, if you guys were, collecting shoes, the Galaxy Foamposite was a crazy release. This whole pack that came out, I can't remember exactly which KD and which Kobe. I believe there was a Galaxy themed Kobe that came out also too. I can't remember the KD off the top of my head. There's so many all-star shoes from back then. I can't even remember, but I do remember that the Galaxy Foamposite came out, and y'all remember the havoc that happened that weekend. Was crazy, man. Shoes were being, people were camping out for a week, 2 weeks to get the Galaxy Foam and to get these, man. I was able to get these. I think I paid resale. I think I paid $300 for these. This is the most I ever paid for shoes, $300. And this is the shoe right here, man. This shoe was crazy, man. Like, I really love this shoe. I love the orange. I love the glowing in dark sole. I love the 3M swoosh that they had on it, man. The whole theme was dope. If you look right here on the tongue, it has like the LeBron. This one he was in Miami, so he was wearing the number 6. It has LB6 here with a futuristic LeBron type logo here. Like I mentioned, you got the 3M sole. Of course, this shoe is really old, so the sole has turned yellow on me. Right here, you have the 3M right here with a shoestrings go at. This right here says something. And then you also slide over to the back, you have the LeBron logo. You have Nike here. You have a greenish 180 airbag here that comes over to the back, which cuts in half into a 90-degree airbag on the other side. Slide over here. You have a Galaxy plate here. This shoe was clean, man. You have the orange laces here. This shoe did not come with a different pair of laces for some reason. That was kind of weird. If you look in the inside of the shoe, it has the Galaxy theme in the inside here. Yeah, man, this shoe right here was crazy, man. I remember this shoe, when I first seen this shoe, I had to get my hands on it. And I know a lot of people wanted to get their hands on it, but more people wanted the Foamposites. I was pretty much over the Foamposites by the time the Galaxy Foamposites came out. And I was still collecting a lot of LeBron, so this is the shoe I needed to get, and as I mentioned, I paid resale for this shoe, man. What you guys think? And I'm hearing that they bringing them back again sometime in 2022. This is what I'm hearing. I just did a Should This Shoe Be Retro episode with the LeBron Taxi 6. I'll put a card up above so you guys can see that. This shoe right here, it was really special, man, and it was crazy, man. I really like this shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Should Nike retro this shoe? Even though I'm hearing that they are, there hasn't been any confirmed dates or confirmed that it will be a retro of this coming out. But I did see that they coming out with the Watch the Throne LeBron 9. Those are coming out, man. I don't remember that shoe even coming to retail at all, man. It looks like the Watch the Throne LeBron 9 will be coming to retail this time, so you guys will have an opportunity to get that shoe if you guys want it. I'm not sure how I feel about it, man, but it's definitely fire that Nike is digging in the LeBron boat and bringing out some of the Jews that was not really easy to get back in the days when the LeBron 9 first hit the scene. But happy that they retroing these. Overall, happy that they retroing LeBrons. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.